Nothing you think about matters until you let it be known. The world runs on the assumptions it has on you, the perception and the perceived image it has created of you, or it has of you in its perception. Your thoughts, your intention, your feelings, your ideas does not matter to this world. It will only be responding to the preset images it has of you. The thing is, every one of us desires to be realized, to be checked upon, to be just present in the moment with someone we want to. It might be a friend, a mom, a dad, our siblings, or our partners. It really depends on different points and different place and times. But there is a overthinking in it, like, how can I be seen to be needing someone to have talked to me, to come sit with me? How can I be seen? We don't want to be seen as we don't want to be seen yearning for people. We don't want to be vulnerable. We don't want to lose the guard, the defenses we have built years on years. It feels losing, but it is not. It is our perception that we have created that things work like this. The person you yearn for, the person who you might want to talk to, be your friend. I think most often, more than enough, they would love to be talking with you, or they would be content after talking with you. And if not, you will know, you will have the clarity about it. Your own. So the perception that you think the world has of you is really your perception you have created, that the world has of you. Being in solitude at times is such a different thing than depriving ourselves of social connections, and being in touch with our loved ones, and to crave ourselves, to deplete ourselves of the warmth of the people we love and the people who love us back. Carl Jung said, the outer world acts as a mirror of our inner world. Be it our feelings, thoughts, emotion, whatever may be that is going it in us, everything we see is just a reflection. So the world's perception of you is nothing but the perceived perception you have of the world. So just take the first step, be it anything. Every limitation we think of is just in our mind and nothing else. And if you really are limited, guess what? You would know after taking that first step, and you would have the clarity to how to proceed towards the future course. So the limitations are really here and not out there.